the robe and crown. Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, mothers, let's go down. Let's go down. Come on down. Come on, mothers, let's go down. Down in the river to
Guys, we're at it again. This is Friday morning. Yep, Friday morning, about 5 something, and my big brother just walked in. We're getting ready to go try this again. He's actually on time this time. It's pretty good. I guess his alarm went off, so that's good. Not that he'd, anything happened last time or nothing. But anyway, so I'll check you guys in a minute. All right, we'll see you.
There's something about someone who's been through the flame. I can see it, 'cause it's written on your face. You broke and you mended. Your story has not ended. You're stronger because of the pain. You have the kind of soul, you have the kind of eyes that I want looking into mine. I want looking into mine. You don't even have to speak. I hear what you're telling me. The broken can be beautiful again. Troubles, and you don't run away. You're not scared when I'm not okay. You're holding the spaces. You're showing me what grace is. That I'm stronger because of the pain. You have the kind of soul, you have the kind of eyes that I want looking into mine. I want looking into mine. You don't even have to speak. I hear what you're telling me. The broken can be beautiful again. With you, 'cause you have the kind of soul, you have the kind of eyes that I want looking into mine. I want looking into mine. You don't even have to speak. I hear what you're telling me. The broken can be beautiful again. The broken can be beautiful again.
Well, we're done for the morning. Nothing this morning. Didn't say anything, but it was a beautiful morning. Nice, cool, crisp. I really missed the birds singing and the squirrels, the whole forest coming alive this morning. I missed that. I don't know what happened. It's really, I don't know. It just didn't wake up like it. People who get out in the forest and in the woods understand that what I'm talking about is it wakes up. It just wakes up. And this morning, well, it didn't wake up. I don't understand, but there are mornings like that. Hopefully few and far between, because I don't know, it just didn't come alive this morning. Well, good morning. We're seeing about making some stuff. Let's get the exhaust going. So yes, anyway, we just got in from hunting. I did. He's still out somewhere doing something. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna. I'm doing a little bit of cooking. For the first time, actually. This is first cook, so yeah, this is what we're doing. We're just gonna throw some bacon and eggs and let's see how that turns out. This little bacon and egg sandwich in the morning. So we're gonna get that bad boy. See, I usually have a thing to cover this to keep this bacon, but I don't know where. Well, I didn't bring it. I know where it's at. I just didn't bring it. Stuff all curling up. This is kind of a country ham kind of thing. I know bacon's ham. Bacon is ham. Usually I got some music going, and yeah, I got a thumb drive with all my music on it. I should have that up here so I can do that. So yeah, what I'm doing some bacon and eggs. And putting it at low temperatures actually helping me to beat it better. So that's good. Understand that's the way it's supposed to be. All right. Tell you what, I'm just gonna ditch this. Woohoo! It's cold outside. Hey man, my furnace. I love my furnace. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. Love it beyond loving it. Oops, better hold on to that, haven't I? I'm digging this. Nothing's hot. Of course, that's my. Got a shield under there anyway. Again, you're catching me for the first time cooking in here. As far as on top, I really should have brought some biscuits so I could have thrown some biscuits in the oven. Got to do that next time. I actually forgot about that. I could have a serious problem here. Yeah, not a serious problem, but I got a problem. I don't know how I'm going to get this thing out of here. It's not the brightest. I told you guys I am not the brightest star in the sky. Got the bacon done though, boy. That's some good looking bacon. Good looking bacon. Good looking bacon. I don't know. This thing's doing very well for me. No, not good at all. Oh my goodness. This is not. Sometimes you just gotta laugh at yourself.
Oh, sometimes you just gotta laugh, my friends, because this is not. This ain't turning out worth a crap. Yeah. I don't know. Never had an egg turn out like that. This is crazy. Never had one do that. It's working. So, hey. My first one of the new build. Like, hello. All right, you can stop. Where you at, power? It's just sucking up more. Hot air is going out of there. Of course, while the what am I talking about? While this is on, it gets pretty warm. But down here now it's starting to warm up. I just had to. You just got to point the heater in the right direction. You got to make sure back here is warm. That's got to be warm because there's water back there. It's where the water tank is, so that's where it's got to be warm. So guys, all right. Well, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out some food. Wait on my brother to get finished and see if he's gonna want some. So yeah, man.
Well, back in the garage again. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in here. Do this really quick. So yeah, everything worked good. Everything did good. Oh, I can't show that way. I've got a surprise coming from that way, so I can't really show that way. So anyway, everything did fine. You saw where we we're gonna sit it back down here. Go ahead and sit down in our talk spot. But anyway, yeah, everything went good. We didn't get to go where I wanted to go Saturday and to camp and do some night vision work in the woods where I had some stuff last year. Anyway, I'm not going to go there. It was a really cool experience. So, but anyway, I was going to do that. We didn't go Saturday to that particular hunting spot. We stayed, as you saw, we stayed back here. My wife got sick. Not real sick, but I mean, she was. It was bad enough. I mean, you know, it's just not the way I roll. So I'm gonna stay home and help take care of her and be there for her for what I need to do. Stay close to home. I did go out hunting Saturday morning. We didn't hunt Saturday afternoon or anything, or Friday afternoon. Or did I go Friday afternoon? I don't remember. Yes. No. I don't remember. I think we did go Friday afternoon. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Again, for the second week in a row, got blocked. We're going to have to do something about that. So, this, I don't see why I can't go. Hoping we're going to get to go to Paul Jones. When you saw 2 or 3 videos back, a couple videos back. Hopefully we can go up and see his racing. That's one of the things I hope we can do. So that's what I'm going to try to do this coming weekend. Of course, hopefully we'll have the hunt. And if I can go down Friday night, then we'll go kind of walking through the woods and see what we can come up with, which would be pretty cool. They're pretty freaky, honestly. It's a pretty freaky place. It's, I can show you. Anyway, not going to get into it. We'll just see what happens when we get down there, which was supposed to happen this week, but it didn't. So hopefully we'll have a really good video coming up next weekend. Getting a little better. Please have patience with me. I promise I'm going to get better. I'm going to figure this thing out, I promise. I'm not going to stop, so if I just put out bad content for the rest of my life, I guess that's just what I'll do. But I'm going to try. You know, I told you, good, bad, and ugly. And the reason I probably said that is because so much of it's going to be ugly. But anyway, the bus performed as I needed. I really really enjoyed it. It's, man, this thing's bouncing everywhere, isn't it? I'm sorry, guys. I really enjoyed it. So I think it's doing good. It's running good. We really need to get some airbags, or they're air shocks, but they're airbags on the back suspension, because I ended up putting 1,700 pounds in this thing. That's way beyond what I thought I was going to put. Now we're still 2,000 pounds under gross weight, so we're really fine. We're not even close to that. But anyway, so I'm going to hit you guys up later. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I know it's just kind of cut up because the storybook I had planned, it did not work. So I just got to put together what I got, and you know, maybe I can get some more different things. Anyway, the B-roll is what I lack. I gotta see about getting B-roll. I tried to do a little more B-roll with the van, with the bus and the fire. So, you know, a little bit of B-roll. Come on, we got a little bit. You know, that's what I'm missing, and that's what is supposed to tie this thing together. So I always forget doing B-roll. I get busy doing stuff. Yeah, that up there hopefully will be dealt with this week. Hopefully I'm going to button up some stuff this week. I can't show you in the back because there's something back there that I'm going to pop up for next week's. So anyway, guys, I'm rambling again. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hitting the like button. That helps. Thank you for watching it all the way through. That I really need you to do. Just turn it on, and if you're not liking it, just kind of walk away and let it finish. That'd be cool. But anyway, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate everything you do for me. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay? Love you guys. All right, man. You guys take care.